Hello students, this is science class for class 8th and today I am going to discuss some agricultural practices. Protection of crop. So, when we grow crops in the field, the protection of crop is very important, and along with this, weed control is also very important step. What are weeds? Actually, there are some unwanted plants that grow with the main crop, and these unwanted plants are called weeds. Okay? So, weeds compete with the crop, main crop, and they take nutrients from the soil. So, weed control, how can we do it? Weeding. Weeding means to control weeds, okay, or the removal of weeds from the crop, that is called weeding, and this process can be done by two ways. Farmers can use some tools to pick out the weeds from the field, and another method is by using weedicides. By using weedicides. What are weedicides? These are chemicals which are used to destroy the weeds in the crop, and weedicides do not harm the main crop. So, important weedicide which is very common, that is butachlor. It is sprayed in the field, and so within few days the weeds get destroyed. So, in this way we can control the weed, and to protect the crop from insects and pests, some insecticides are used. What are insecticides? These are the chemicals which are used to kill insects. Important insecticide which is very commonly used, that is malathion. It is sprayed in the field, and it kills the insects that harm the crop. And pesticides, these are chemical substances which are used to kill the pests which can harm the crop. In this way, these are some methods by which we can protect the crop from insects, pests and from weeds. Okay. One more important agricultural practice is harvesting. What is harvesting? It is the process of cutting and collecting the crop in the field, that is called harvesting, in which crop is cut and collected. And then another process is threshing. It is done by either manually by the farmers by using some tools, or it is done by threshers. Nowadays, combine harvesters are used for a commercial purpose on a large scale, and these combine harvesters can cut the crop, collect the crop and then threshes the crop. Okay? And so food grains are separated from husk and chaff. Okay? So combine harvesters are popularly used. Combine harvesters. These are large machines, and on a large scale in farmhouses, combine harvesters are used. Now, this class is over today, and we will discuss some more other practices which are widely used by the farmers to produce the crop. Thanks everyone.